do a little update video on my 03 Mustang. I ain't put nothing up in a while. I've done quite a bit to it since I last put one up. I've done a grill delete. I've done the Maximum Motorsport caster camber plates, BBK cold air intake, EGR delete, comp cam, stage 2 cams, lower springs. Let's see, what else have I done? I don't know if you can see them or not, but I've done BBK shorty headers. Also done BBK off-road X pipe into Flowmaster's axle dumped. Sounds pretty good. I wish I would went with stage 3 cams though. I don't think this one's aggressive enough. I got smoked headlights, American Muscle. Also got the power stop, drilled and slotted rotors, put brand new calipers all the way around. I don't think I've done a video since I pulled the transmission out of it, which I done a monster rebuild kit. Went through the transmission, replaced everything in it, and I upgraded the rear end to the Moser 31 spline axles and 373 gears, and the carbon fiber clutch packs in the rear differential. And then to top everything off, tie everything together, I went with the custom Bama tune, which I think's a pretty good deal for 450 bucks. And next I'm gonna get a new set of wheels and tires for it, and then I'm gonna have it painted. And then hopefully later on down the road, I'm either gonna go with the Whipple or the Pro Charger. I ain't sure yet. I'll probably go with the Whipple. I think it's a cleaner install. But it's came a long way. This car had been sitting for almost 4 years when I got it. You couldn't even drive it. Also went with the bump steer kit in the front too, and basically everything in the front end is brand new. I put new struts, control arms, ball joints, bushings, upgraded the front sway bar, new sway bar links, everything. I'll let you listen to the cam, give you a couple of ribs. Sounds alright, especially when it gets good and warm, but I wish I had a little bit more of aggressive lope to it. But just the stage 2 cams changed the whole behavior of the car. It runs so much better, and it actually revs a lot better, which I done everything at one time, so I really don't know what did what. I just tore everything down and then replaced driving it for about a week now. It's been down since back before Thanksgiving. It likes to rev. But there's a little update video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.